Hurricane Zeta came through. They really downplayed it. And when it hit, nobody was really expecting for the winds and the damages that were going to come from it.
When Hurricane Zeta slammed into the Mississippi Gulf Coast with 115-mile-per-hour winds, it left behind damaged infrastructure, downed traffic signals, and a lot of work for transportation crews.
It definitely tore up the west side of the Gulf Coast and into Louisiana a little bit there.
For most people, the storm was over. For others, the work was just beginning.
As soon as it comes through, about an hour later, we are out trying to get everything out of flash, trying to get all the heads fixed.
Cody Ware works for Powell Construction in Mississippi.
We pretty much build traffic lights from the ground up.
As crews worked to restore intersections across the coast, they began assessing what survived the storm and what didn't. And in some locations, they found something surprising.
We do have y'all's radar. It survived. Because Zeta went pretty much the eye went through Bay St. Louis.
It was just an unexpected storm.
Stephen Harmon, known on social media as the traffic light doctor, wasn't surprised Wavetronix sensors did so well, even in a hurricane.
I mean, I've seen one fall 30 feet out of a bucket truck, hang it, still work.
The day after the hurricane hit, this video shows crews repairing signals, but Wavetronix radar was unscathed.
They've survived a lot.
Yep.
Accidents.
Tornadoes. I'm pretty sure the tornado went through Brandon. There's probably stuff up there that didn't get tore up.
For the people responsible for maintaining traffic systems, durability isn't just about protecting equipment. It's about keeping roads operating when communities need them most.
After that storm, they just drew up a big project for that storm, for the funding that came in, that really improved the traffic areas.
Most drivers will never notice the radar sensors mounted above an intersection, and that's exactly the point. When traffic keeps moving, when signals keep operating, when recovery crews can focus on restoring a community instead of replacing equipment, the technology is doing its job.
Tell you what, I like Wavetronix. I like the radar part. It's a lot more easier to maintain than other stuff that we put out there.
To learn more about Wavetronix solutions, visit wavetronix.com or schedule a virtual visit with one of our traffic experts at wavetronix.com/lab.